Transferring money from the Truist Bank to the Cash App is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open up the trusted.com website on your device. Once you get into its site, scroll down and tap on Transfer Money. Now from here, you will get to know about online banking and mobile banking. So first of all, we will discuss the process of online banking, which starts by sign in to online banking. Then you have to select Transfer and Pay. After that, select Transfer Money and Pay Trust Accounts. Now choose the account you want to transfer money from in the first drop-down menu, and choose the account you want to transfer money to in the second drop-down menu. Right after that, select one-time or recurring. Now, enter the amount to transfer. Then select when to transfer. For one-time transfers, select or enter a transaction date. And for recurring transfers, select or enter your start date and then select your frequency from the drop-down menu. Now enter an optional memo. Lastly, select the Continue option. This was the process of online banking. Let's dig into mobile banking processes. Mobile banking is quite similar, but you can read the details from here on its site. Now, if you scroll down a bit, you'll find the process of online banking for external transfers. For external transfer on online banking, you have to sign in to online banking. Then select the accounts. After that, select Link External Accounts. Now, you have to select the site. Then, enter your credentials. A confirmed account has been added. Follow the same instructions for internal transfers, selecting your external accounts from the appropriate drop-down menus.